हर भोले नमः शिवाय।
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
ॐ 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 त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्।
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं
जटाटवीगलज्जलप्रवाहपावितस्थले घलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां ढमड्ढमड्ढमड्ढमन्निनादमड्ढमर्वयं चकार च।
Shivling is a symbol that represents Lord Shiva as the most powerful deity. Temples are built in his honor, including a Shivling, which represents all the energies in the world and beyond. There is no origin or form that can be associated with Shiva. Humans need a symbol to worship. So, the Ling was created. Ling means symbol. Ling is just a symbol to identify something. This symbol we call Shivling has a scientific explanation. Shivling consists of 3 parts. The bottom, that has 4 sides, remains underground. The middle part, that has 8 sides, remains on a pedestal. The top, which is actually worshipped, is round. The height of the round part is 1/3 of its circumference. The 3 parts symbolize Lord Brahma in the lower part, Lord Vishnu in the middle, and Lord Shiva in the upper part. The pedestal is provided with a passage to drain the water that poured on the top. Lingam symbolizes the creative and destructive power of Lord Shiva and the devotee attribute great holiness.